In today's video, I'll show you how you can get the Black Friday deal on Tidio. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go here into their website using the link in the description. Once you're here, you just simply want to click on Unlock My Deal, and then you'd now be able to see this deal or Black Friday deal right here. So you only get to pay $1 for the first 2 months. And then here's a promo code. You could memorize that or copy it, click on Claim Your Discount, and then it will now redirect us into setting up our account. So you can provide your email, password, website, and then tick this box and click on Get Started for free. Or you could just simply go sign in with your Facebook account, which is a much simpler process. All right, once you're done, you just need to undergo this simple process. Just provide your personal information right here so that Tidio could curate the suggestions or the workflow for you. And now from here, we can now click here on Let's Go. Next thing to do is to go here into Usage and Plan and go into Edit Subscription. Once you're here, you just simply want to go for Lero AI Agent. And from here, you can click here on Add to Order. So you can go for how many Lero AI Agent conversations that you want. Let's say just 50 right here. Click on Add to Order. And then it should now be added right here. And you can see that it says 39 USD for the first 2 months. Well, because we have the discount code right here, which is the Black Friday deal, you can see that it's now just $1. It has been discounted by 38 USD for the first 2 months. So if it's not automatically applied right here, you could just simply type out this code manually and go into checkout. And from here, you can modify more options for your order right here if there's something else you'd want to add into your total balance right here. So once you're ready, click on Update My Account and provide your payment details. Click on Submit Order. Once the payment goes through, you have now successfully purchased here in Tidio using the Black Friday deal. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.